This video explains how to reverse the order of a ggplot2 legend using the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. In this video I will show you an example, and for this example we first need to create a data frame, as you can see in lines 2 to 4 of the code. So after running these lines of code, a new data set called data is appearing at the top right. And if you click on this data frame, a new window is opened which is showing the structure of our data frame. And as you can see, our data frame contains 8 rows and 3 columns, whereby the first 2 columns X and Y contain numeric values, and the third column is a group indicator. Now, if we want to draw these data using the ggplot2 package, we also need to install and load the ggplot2 package, as you can see in lines 6 and 7 of the code. I have installed the package already, so for that reason I'm just going to load it with line 7. And after running this line of code, we are able to use the functions of the ggplot2 package, such as ggplot and gonPoint, as you can see in lines 9 to 13 of the code. So after running these lines of code, a new plot object is appearing at the top right, which is called ggp. And we can draw this plot to the bottom right of RStudio by running line 14 of the code. And then you can see that we have created a scatter plot. And the points in this scatter plot are colored according to the groups in our data set. And then on the right side of the plot, you can also see a legend which is ordered alphabetically. Now let's assume that we want to reverse the order of this legend. Then we can apply the code that you can see in lines 16 and 17. So in line 16 of the code, I'm specifying the plot object ggp that I have created before. And then I'm adding to this the guides function. And within the guides function, I'm specifying the color argument, and I'm setting this argument to be equal to the guide legend function. And within the guide legend function, I'm specifying that I want to set the reverse argument to be equal to true. So after running lines 16 and 17 of the code, our plot is updated. And as you can see, this time the group D is appearing at the top of the legend and the group A is appearing at the bottom. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.